We integrating Kendo Data Grid directly inside JupyterLab. Our developer can use this utility with their data frame to get in nice formatted output like an Excel. They can able to sort and much more. They just need to import so Kendo from Kendo history and move their data frame and then passing their data frame to so Kendo and column. And you can say we're getting a nice formatted our data representation. They can also sort here. They can able to search and also they can using simply to leave selection as a table and control C and let paste here. They can also copy in different format like markup and control C. And also text table, tab and CSV, they can directly place in Excel. Also we can include and exclude column directly from here that can increase the efficiency of the record without writing repetitive code. They can also export their data as PDF, Excel directly from here. And also they can visualize data using graph. You can see in different forms like urban, rural area. The most challenging part is version compatibility. We found that JupyterLab 4 works smoothly with KendoReact version 7, but Kendo chart often throw error. As a workaround, we use a React chart.js tool for charting. Because the grid is now integrated, developers no longer write repetitive code to build tables or embed charts. They can stay in JupyterLab and immediately sort, filter, and visualize data. This boosts efficiency in exploratory data analysis. Thank you.